Hey guys, my name's Bob from Bob's Bees. We're gonna take some honey today, so let's get going. These are my two hives in Bristol, Wisconsin. I'm from Lakeville, Illinois. I have 4 hives there, 2 hives in Bristol, and 3 hives in Trevor, Wisconsin. So let's get going. There's one of my hives. And here is the other. All right, guys, it's September 1st. Plenty of honey this year. We haven't gone into a dearth. Lots of rain, lots of flowers, so should be some honey. Mostly capped. I think we'll take it. So it takes 550 bees to visit 2 million flowers to make 1 pound of honey. Now I'm going to replace these old frames, or the frames I took out, with ones that originally had honey in them. See, all the honey is extracted. Okay, let's put this hive back together. All right, hive 2 in Trevor. Let's see what's in here. So this side's pretty much capped. That side's all honey, uncapped, can't take it yet. Lots of capped brood. That's baby bees that will be born. And that's it for the hives in Trevor. We probably got 40 pounds of honey, maybe. We're in my second bee yard in Trevor, Wisconsin. We'll check it out. Here's hive 1, hive 2, and hive 3. All right, guys, we're gonna go in this first hive. This is in Trevor. There should be some honey in here. We'll see. Well, no honey in this hive. All right, hive 2. See what happens. All right, this hive has an issue. I saw the queen, but there's a little brood in there. All right, hive 3. No honey in the rest of them. See what this one looks like. Well, this hive looks okay. No honey to take, but bunch of capped brood in there, so that's all good. Done with Triever. This is our last location in my backyard in Lake Villa. We have 4 hives. That hive is still a little on the small side. There is some brood in there though. All right, hive 2. Should be some honey in this one. All right, we got some honey off that one. All right, hive 3. All right, last hive. All right, this is Bob from Bob's Bees. We're going to be extracting honey. You need a knife and one of these. What we're going to do is cut the cap off this. All right, we're ready to spin. And this is what it looks like when it's all spun. Centrifugal forces pull all the honey out. And I only have about 20 more to go. There's a nice honey. Go through a sieve and it'll be golden. So there's the honey. It's probably about 60 pounds. And we'll bottle it. Oh, that looks nice. By the way, I use this refractometer. I think that's what it's called. Check the moisture content in the honey. It's at about 15%, which is good. Honey will last for years. By the way, some of you seasoned beekeepers, you'll probably say I took too much honey this late in the year, but we have a great honey flow, and I think it'll go easily into the second or third week of September. So that's the reason I took it. Plus, I'm gonna probably keep some of my hives in deep in a medium. So other ones I'll keep in 2 deeps over the winter. So we'll see what happens. Let's try a 2-pound jar. All the honey's bottled, 60 bottles.